If you are setting up a paper-based administered assessment on CrowdMark, you have the option to include automatic matching. And what that does is CrowdMark will read the information on the cover page, the student's first and last name and the student ID number, to match the booklet with the correct student. So this video is going to walk you through how to set that up. And this will need to be set up as you are creating your assessment. So go ahead and select Create Assessment and give this a name. Choose what type and confirm your selections. Next, we're going to upload your template. So we'll browse for the correct file here. And then underneath is where you are going to configure your template. So we always recommend double-sided printing here. And then if you are choosing to use automatic matching, this is where you need to select to set that up. So select Add Automatic Matching region to the first page, and you will have the option if you want to customize the label for the student ID number. This might be helpful if you have a custom ID for CrowdMark for students, because CrowdMark expects a numbers-based student ID number. So if you wanted to customize the label, you can do so here to make it relevant for students so it's clear what number they are going to be writing on the front page. So you would give them a CrowdMark ID number, and then you would also need to make sure that that CrowdMark ID number is uploaded to the course roster as well, because that is what CrowdMark is matching against. Go through and finish setting up your assessment template. Ensure that you have extra booklets that are generated, because these can't be generated later, and generate the preview here. Now there's a separate video for how to update your student course roster with the correct CrowdMark ID or with that numbers-based ID. So if you need to update that information, I recommend that you have a look at that video for some guidance on how to do that.